Hey Pitmasters, welcome to another episode. This could very well be my best burrito recipe. So as always, the first thing that we're going to do is fire up our barbecue. We'll put in some Camarillo Big Block. We'll put in 2 of these fire starters, light them up, put the charcoal back on. Our charcoal is fully lit up, so we can get it out of our chimney starter and spread it out over the grill. I just want to add a little bit more charcoal because I need a little bit more heat and I want to have that buffer. So when we have a longer cook, I got some spare charcoal laying around in the grill. We put the grill grate on and set it to a low position so we get a little bit more heat. We'll put in our cast iron pan and let it come up to temperature. So the first thing that we're going to do is add in this sausage. Now, I don't want to have the casing in, I just want to get what's inside that casing. We're going to make big chunks of this sausage. We're going to have that tasty sausage meat in our pan. We're going to render down that fat and we're going to get that pork flavor. Now, we just created these mini meatballs. And look at how good they look. We got a nice crust on them and that's exactly what we want. We want that flavor. Now we're going to enter this tomato sauce and that's around 350 grams of passata. Passata is grated tomato and it makes it really soft. We're also going to add some red beans. They've been prepared and are ready to eat. So we'll put them in the grill. 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 3 tablespoons of ketchup mayonnaise and a handful of sugar. And I'll put in 2 of these chilies. And then we'll spread their flavor out through the sauce. 100 milliliters of barbecue sauce. A pinch of salt. Fresh ground pepper. Now let's stir that up. Time to get this pan off the grill. Our sauce is done. I want to taste it. I'm really excited about this. That is seriously good. Perfect. It doesn't need any work. We're just going to put some cheese on it now so the cheese will melt. And when we put it in a burrito, we got this big sauce with melting cheese on top. It's going to be amazing. This is chorizo cutlery. We're going to put it on our grill and we're going to crispen it up. We grilled the chorizo and it crispened up, look at that. It became a chip and that's going to provide us with a crunchy texture in our burrito. Now it's time to prepare our fresh and raw ingredients. We'll start with the lettuce, tomatoes, sweet onion and a spring onion. So let's slice up the lettuce. Now some spring onions. The tomato, slice it fine. And the sweet onion, which we're also going to chop fine. Now we quickly want to toast our tortilla. And when the bubbles start coming up, you know that it's almost done. And it's done. Ooh, that's hot. Now all there's left to do before we start building up this burrito is to melt our cheese. Put it back on the grill. Let the sauce come up to temperature. Let it absorb the cheese and then it's time to build it up. Time to build up our burrito. I'm starting with a base of cream cheese, herb cream cheese. This is a good base layer and it's going to provide us with a lot of creaminess. Then we're going to put on some lettuce, the crunchy chorizo and our beautiful cheesy sausage and bean sauce. If you like it hot, you can add a surprise in there. We'll sprinkle on some sweet fresh onion, some diced fresh tomatoes and some sliced spring onions. Now we'll roll this up and hope to catch it all. That's why I have this tin foil underneath. I'm excited about this. Let's slice into it and take a look inside. This burrito looks amazing. Now let's bite into it. That's some good stuff. This is so tasty. This burrito is creamy, it's cheesy. We got the beans, we got the sausage stuffing. The flavors are soft and creamy and are coming all together inside this one package. We got the freshness and the crunchiness of the lettuce and the chorizo. This is one fantastic burrito. I hope you guys give it a try. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe video, and if you did, smash that like button and leave me a comment down below. If you have a great recipe for a burrito, I want to know about it. I want to say a big thank you to everyone that's supporting our YouTube channel by being a member right here on YouTube or through our Patreon page. If you want to find out more about that, go down below in the video description. See you guys next time. Until then, eat smakelijk and keep on grilling.